Welcome to this charming St. Johnsbury home, a perfect blend of modern comfort and timeless Vermont character. Nestled on 4.25 serene acres, this thoughtfully transformed property is designed for both relaxation and everyday living. Step inside to a bright, open kitchen where slate floors, a breakfast bar, and a generous pantry create a warm and functional heart for the home. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the dining area, complete with sliding doors that lead to the backyard, inviting fresh air and sunlight into every meal. Just beyond, an oversized, enclosed porch becomes your favorite spot for morning coffee, seasonal meals, or simply soaking in the peaceful Vermont views. The main level also features a cozy living room, a practical mudroom with laundry, and a convenient dog washing station, making everyday tasks easy and enjoyable. A full bath completes this thoughtful main floor layout. Upstairs, you'll find 3 comfortable bedrooms and an additional full bath, offering plenty of space for family, guests, or a home office. Outside, the property continues to impress. An attached 2-car garage with durable metal roof adds convenience and protection, while a small garage or barn with water provides the perfect space for animals, hobbies, or creative projects. Rolling lawns and open spaces invite outdoor activities and give this home a truly peaceful, country atmosphere. Located on a quiet road, yet just minutes from Route 2, this property offers the ideal combination of seclusion and accessibility. Here, you can enjoy the tranquility of Vermont country living while staying connected to schools, shopping, and community amenities. Whether you're seeking a forever home, a weekend retreat, or a place to enjoy the best of St. Johnsbury, this property offers warmth, charm, and the perfect setting for your next chapter in Vermont.